You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.